Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question, that is reverse digit. So if you want to know where the question is, you can just go for Geeks and just look at the practice section. This practice problem you will find there. So we are going to solve it in a very beginner friendly manner. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and do share this video as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. First, we are going to see what the question is saying to us, and then what should be our way of approach, and then we will see the code. So if you see my previous video, I did something similar to like this question. I will also uh, give you the link in the description box on I button. So if you just go and see there, so the logic already I explained the logic in my previous video, but just let us go through again. So I have a number. Let's see if I have a number. Let me open my notepad. I have a number that is 222, right? Or let's say make it different, 267. The question is asking me that I have to convert this number. Let me increase my font size. This number and store it in a reverse manner, that is 762. This is the requirement of our question. So how we are going to do is, hope you understand the question. So how we are going to do is, we will first thing that we can also the approach should be like this also. The one way is like we convert the number into string. We convert my number, original number, into string by using typecasting, and then we slice it, and then we use dot equals method, and we compare it if it is similar or not. If it is like this, right, we will reverse it. We will use mirror image. But the another way is, we will like if you solve the question of Armstrong number, then you already know how to break down the numbers into digits, and then we store it, make a new number and store it in a reverse manner. We will do in that way, right? So how we are going to extract, from the last, here 267. I want to start from 7, then 6, then 2. I will extract one by one and store it here. Store it in my new variable, right? So if I divide it by 10, so if you want to extract the last digit, then you should do like this, your number modulo 10. If you want to extract, that is not a large digit, like if I extract large digit by dividing it, no, I wrote like this, my number modulo 10. But if I leave the last digit and I want to extract this one, how we are going to do is, we will divide it by 10. My number, we will divide it, not modulo, we will divide it by 10, and we will move forward. So this is the way of approach that we should be doing here. Over here, when I make the new variable, and in my new variable I store it by extracting one by one the value. So here the first step is to make a new variable, right? Then I will iterate. Why iterate? So see guys, here just look at the screen. This is a repetitive work, right? How? First we extract this one, then store it. Now we will move forward to this one, second, then store it. Now we will move forward to this one, then so this is a repetitive kind of work. That's why we are going to use loop here. So the first step, make a variable. The second, in which you are going to store your answer and the output. And the second is, we will extract the digit. We will extract the last digit, and when I extract the last digit, I have to store it somewhere, right? If I extract the last digit, I have to store it somewhere. So I will make another variable. Suppose digit, last digit, name it last digit. Then I will store my last digit. Then in answer, I am going to store my variable, whatever the variable that we made here. In that, I am going to store it one by one, right? So let's see the code. By seeing the code you can understand better. First thing first, what was the step number one? We will make a new variable in when I calculate everything, I will store my output in a variable, right? So we will make a new variable of which data type. See here, this is returning me long. This is also long data type. My n is of long data type also. So we are, so answer should be, my output should be most probably in long data type. So I will make a long, wait, a long, here my what, here my final, okay, just see, give the number is equal to, I will store it 0 here, right? Why 0? You will come to know why 0, because when we add this number to digit, then what will happen? 0 plus digit. That's why we are initializing it with 0. Now let's start our repetitive work. So we have to give a loop here for the iteration. My number, until when I want to iterate, greater than 0. When my number is greater than 0, start iterating, right? Here, now I make another variable that I told you, that is called digit. In this, I'm going to store my last digit, right? Here, what? How to extract last digit? By n modulo 10. This is how we extract last digit. Now we in this variable, our number variable, we are starting to store my elements, like here, like this, number is equal to number multiply by 10. Why multiply by 10? Because I let me explain it again. First let me write this, and I will add my digit in it, right? Like this. See here, now initially what is the value of my number? 0. So here 0. 0 multiplied by 10, that is 0. 0 multiplied by 10 will be 0, and then here I will add my digit. What will be my last digit? Here I already extract the value of digit and store here. Now I will add. So last digit will be 0 here. In this case 0. Okay. So now currently the value of number is 0. Now I am going to move forward. Move to here, the second one. Again 0 and then 2. So see here, the output is 2. Now what? Now I'm going to extract the last remaining digit. I will increase my n slowly, decrease my n. Sorry guys, decrease my n slowly. So here my code is complete. Now at last I'm going to return my number, right? Because everything I store here. So I will return my number. See, this is the method, return my number. So I hope you understand till here, guys. Let me explain it again. When I extract the digits from a number and I want to extract the last digit, I will divide it by 10. I will do like number modulo 10. But except last digit, if I want to extract another digit, I will divide it by 10. What happen is here the number is slowly decreasing, right? Now let's see, compile and run. Let's hope there is no syntax error. It will take some time, guys. Here I solve this question in Java, and if you want to solve in another language, you can do so. Here there are multiple language options is here. See, the compilation error is there in the line number 37. So what is the compilation error? Wait, here the compilation error. See, I initialize this variable. I make this variable number, n is capital, but here by mistake I give n is small. So you should, here also I am returning small. Sorry, wait, let's change it. Now it should work fine. So see, do mistake as many mistake you can, but try to resolve it. Try to think why it is happening, and let's submit by clicking the submit button. Let's see how many test cases is getting passed out of this. uh, okay, so every test cases is getting passed. So now I hope you understand this video. We will meet in next video. So if you like this video, just hit the like and subscribe button, and do share this video as much as possible, guys, and do subscribe. So we will meet in another video. Bye bye. Happy learning.